Chandra Maulishwaran, who is fondly called Chandra by most of his family, called Mauli by his colleagues and students, and called Ishwaran by absolutely no one, was born on 7th December 1965 in Madurai, Tamil Nadu. He was fascinated by technology from the very beginning, taking up used film rolls and simulating motion pictures, picking apart radio sets and analyzing its electronic components, designing an amplitude modulator circuit from scratch, and much more, a quality that he inherited from his father. He grew up and completed his schooling in Madurai, where, among other things, he was infamous for going from class to class on a bicycle, which he rode at reckless speeds. He obtained his undergraduate degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering from the Tyagaraja College of Engineering, Madurai in 1987, following which he moved to Bengaluru to work at the Electronics and Radar Development Establishment, or LDRE. At LDRE, he was instrumental in developing the radar data processor for the Akash missile system, which is still in active use by the Indian Armed Forces. It was coded entirely in the C language with some assembly, and therein began his lifelong love affair with the C language, which is something which all of us are undoubtedly familiar with. He met his wife Hema at Dindukal in 1992 and sparks flew, thanks in part to their common interests in Carnatic music and programming. They got married a year later and their son Harish was born a couple years later. Mrs. Hema plays and teaches Carnatic music on the Veena, and Harish is a PhD student in computer science at the Chennai Mathematical Institute. Professor Mauli made the decision to move into computer science in 1995 and graduated with a master's in computer science from IIT Madras in 1997. The family moved back to Bengaluru and he spent close to 15 years in the semiconductor industry in various companies like Motorola, LSI Logic, Sharp and Honeywell, where he assumed every role from an engineer to a technical director. However, he missed learning new technical concepts and sharing his excitement with younger people, and this led him to the world of teaching. He has taught various courses in electronics and computer science for young engineers at Manipal University and BITS Pilani, and for undergraduate and master students at IIIT Bengaluru and Lucknow. He spent 4 years as a professor at the Myanmar Institute of Information Technology, teaching undergraduates and setting up various labs, as he considers this time as the most enjoyable and productive in his entire career. He moved to RV University in 2022 and has thoroughly enjoyed teaching and interacting with all of us, and so have we. We wish Mauli sir the very best, and we will continue to stay in touch with him and update him on everything that we do in our careers. Now, let us see what his colleagues and family members have to say about him.
Yeah, Professor Mauli is the founding professor of School of Computer Science and Engineering. His expertise is well appreciated by other faculty members. He has nurtured youngsters, and he has also established networking lab. Not only that, they were very supportive to me when I recently joined, that is 1.5 years back. Okay, he helped me out in all the curriculum formation and arranging the OS meeting, and his work is really appreciated. Thank you.
Hi everybody. Hats off to Mauli. He is not only a best professor of practice, not because he is from industry and has been teaching, but because he has real passion for academics. No wonder he was selected to establish the equivalent of IIIT in Myanmar, MIT, as well as several courses which he is hosting on NPTEL, etc. So when we were lucky to have him in RV University, I was very happy to challenge him to set up the path for systems, right? Starting with basic electrical, electronics, leading to how computers work, how CPU works in a single course. And then in second course, giving hands-on experience in terms of microprocessors, assembly language, IoT kind of devices, and then leading to operating systems, networks, etc. We couldn't have found any other better faculty to do that. If we didn't have Mauli, we couldn't have put our curriculum for systems track in this such a way. So all the best for his future. We are very happy to have him and guide our students. Before I close, second thing most important from Mauli is he's very student friendly. We had one event where we are introducing new courses. I remember how students welcomed him, right? They really clapped. That shows how much students love him. So all the best. Thank you, Bridge.
Joseph Mowley. So I'm still recovering from the shock that you are actually leaving RV University. So I thought I will spend some few seconds on expressing my gratitude towards you. I always looked up to you as a teacher. You have incredibly systematic procedure, and you are extremely sincere in the fulfilling your teaching responsibilities. You are highly empathetic towards students, and you put in significant effort. You and me joined RV University same day, and I believe you have contributed way beyond your job description has indicated. You are always with students, always with trying to empower students. There were significant occasions where you went beyond the job description to positively impact students. I myself learned quite a bit on how to teach students, how to positively impact students, how to be systematic. I am nowhere near to your ability to positively influence students, but I am also learning. So as a friend, colleague, and of course I am also your student, I will really miss you at RV University. But I wish you all the best. Going forward, I want you to leave similar positive impact on many more people, many more organizations. Thank you. Thank you for everything.
So Mowley, yeah, we go way back. I've known Mowley since 2017. Actually, we were working together in MIT Manly. So I've known him since then. Then it was a very pleasant coincidence. I met him again when I joined RV University. We joined on the same day, coincidentally again. So we were some of the first people to join FCSC. So yeah, it's been pretty nice. We've always interacted with each other. We've always shared. Our interaction has always gone beyond professional because he knows my family, I know his family, so we go way back. And yeah, it's unfortunate we have to see you go SOCSC, but of course we are always connected from our past experiences. So SOCSC is losing a very good filler, and all the very best for you. Hopefully we will catch up once again. Good luck.
Hello, Mowgli sir. Thank you for being the mentor in my whole journey in RVU. I still remember the first day you interviewed me. It was quite a long interview in which I could understand the human in you and how you made us comfortable. From that day till today, you were actually a supporting pillar for me. Any problems, anytime, I had come running to you. Thank you for being the mentor. I remember you for life now. Wish you all the best for the future endeavors. Thank you.
Namaste, Mowgli sir. Sir, you are more than a mentor, a guide, a supporter, a constant source of inspiration. Your presence has always brought clarity, confidence, and direction in my journey. You have shaped not only my knowledge, but the way I think, I work, and grow. Your patience in explaining, your wisdom in guiding, and your simplicity in leading by example are the qualities I will continue to cherish throughout my life. Personally, I feel extremely blessed to have had an opportunity to learn under your guidance. Thank you for believing in me even when I doubted myself, and for showing me that excellence is a path, not a destination. As you step into a new chapter of life, I pray to God for happiness, continued success, and most of all, good health. Our relationship can be expressed in these sacred words: Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Gurudevo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruvel Namaha. Thank you for everything. Namaste.
Hi, Melissa. I feel sad that you are leaving us. You have been a mentor for me from last 3 years, starting from the interview, the curriculum design, course code generation, which you have done most of the time, the OS meetings which we organized, and a very good experience whenever we discuss about any kind of curriculum related information. So it's once again like I am going to lose a good mentor. Even after you leave, I'll be bothering you for certain academic requirements. Please help me out, and I all the best for your future endurance. And seriously, it is like I'm going to have a bad time in your absence. So hope you are happy with your new roles and responsibilities in the new environment.
Molly sir, I'm very sure you're surprised to see me. I feel that our C-section students, BTech 22, really loves you and admires you as a person. When they reached out to me to make this video on your retirement, I was very, very happy too, sir. Memories about you? Well, it starts way back when you interviewed me. You were one of the 7 panelists, including Dr. Sanjay Chitnis, who literally grilled me on all aspects, all subjects of computer science. When the other panelists ran out of questions, you chipped in. You invented a new question, and that started another set of firing sessions of questions for me. It was an enjoyable experience, one of the toughest interviews I faced, considering that I have faced interviews even to get into multinational companies long back in my career. So when I joined RVU, and when we were the so-called founding team, I was very proud to have gotten in after such a tough interview. But I really, really dreaded one person in this RVU, which is you. Because the people that I have worked with earlier, people who have so much of knowledge, especially the hardware part as well as the software part, specifically C programming, the people I know are very, very egoistic and they have a lot of attitude. So I expected a person like that here, and I dreaded the thought of heading this newfound computer science department in RV University with a person with attitude. But when I got to know you, ooh la la, I was so surprised, so pleasantly surprised, because you are humility personified. You are willing to learn, you're willing to help, and most important, you're willing to connect with students, to understand the level of knowledge they have, to rise up and rise down, and kind of, empathize with the slow learners, help them, and make sure that everybody learns. And that's the beauty of this profession. If any professor has this kind of attitude, and you really have it, sir, I salute to you. I really admire and respect you for this. So in fact, that is you. You are a person who is kind, who is willing to help everybody, and do this kind of help in the best way that you can. Please remain like that, sir. That is the best character that you have. God bless you and your family and your near and dear ones. And best wishes for your future. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, C-section students. Really, really appreciate you to have remembered me in this moment. Thank you very much to all of you.
I worked with Mauli sir for last 3.5 years. It was nice working with him. He is very good friend for me, and we discussed a lot. We started this course. First time I interact with him is DSCA. We worked very closely and made that successful for the first batch of the students. So it was nice working with him. So I wish him best of luck in his future career.
Hello, sir. It was a wonderful experience to work with you as a colleague. More than a colleague, I wanted to be a student. You're my best guide, mentor, all the subjects, whatever you have given us the narration in the system stream, how you have been like structured the syllabus, all these are very inspiring. I'm very happy I've been worked with you IoT and edge computing and have learned a lot of things. And the next generation with the AGI concepts, all those are very inspiring to learn from you. So not only the technical aspects, you are perfect with almost all the things, with the documentation, your structured way of organizing the things. So all these have been learned, and the interaction with the students, all these are very inspiring. So for surely we are going to miss you. I believe I will be working future also together in many more projects, and I have to learn a lot from you. So thank you, sir. Thank you for everything, the support, the mentoring, the guidance, whatever you have given. We miss you. We miss you a lot.
Hello, Molly sir. I really did not feel that I have to make this video for you, but yes, I am ever grateful to you for everything that you have done for me. You are the one who has brought me to early university, and you are the one who has taught me so many things which I have delivered to the students. I have always taken the courses which you have built, and it was very interesting. As an academician, as a leader, you have been always an inspiration to me. Thank you so much for teaching me so many things. And yes, you will be my SOS always. I'm going to disturb you, but yes, I'm going to miss your presence in campus. That energy, that enthusiasm which you bring out in table, that is very different. Thank you so much, sir.
Dear Molly sir, I don't know, I have no words to tell how much you mean to me. Actually, you're more of an advisor, more like a Padadi figure. There's a lot to learn from you, sir. Especially, I can see how humble a person can be with so much of knowledge. There are very few people who are so humble yet so knowledgeable, sir. There's a lot to learn from you, from discipline to how you work, how you treat the students. I'm really going to miss you, sir, especially our networks team, our system team. We're all going to miss you, sir. Like, it's a huge pillar of our team is going to be missing, sir. We're just going to miss you a lot, sir.
Yeah, so about Molly sir, I would like to share what happened during our accelerated meeting. First of all, there is a lot of learning thing from him, specifically the way he organizes each and every work. He diligently spent a lot of time to prepare coursework, and most importantly, to be honest, I always went through his video before going to the class. So that, in fact, it helped me prepare what I'm going to teach in the class. And also, apart from that, as a person, he is very good. He is very friendly, and he always helped me. Whenever it required the most. So I really miss him a lot in my time in RBU, and hopefully, this friendship and this bond continues, and hopefully we will be in touch in future. Thank you, sir, for everything.
Dear Molly sir, this message is for you, and I would like to thank you for being part of our RU, and also as we have personally enjoyed interacting with you, and many interesting discussions, and you made a lot of difference in RU curriculum, and especially like embedded subjects, hardware related aspects, right? And you have taken DSCA, edge computing, BOAS, networking, all of these very important lectures, and you are inspiration to me as well for your attention detail, your hard working, your video lectures, and your very systematic approach to teach. You are a great teacher, and I think all our students have benefited quite a lot. I wish you all the best for your future endeavors, and definitely we shall be in touch. Thank you, sir.
From enjoying the musical chair along with the students, being one with the students till now, uploading course after course on MOOC. I mean, he has been a versatile person, a thorough gentleman. It's so many facets, I mean, he is a very nice, very genial and quality professor, but unfortunately he is retiring. I mean, as we all know, any good thing, any bad thing always has a beginning and has an end, I guess. Again, we all have to, grill and bear it and accept it in the end. But I think he is leaving a void in the school of CS Web. When he's leaving, he's leaving a void in the hearts of every student, at least the ones he has taught. And definitely, I mean, it came as a surprise to me that, oh yeah, of course, I mean, someday everyone has to retire, but I wasn't expecting this. But yeah, I mean, Mowli sir, I'm wishing you all the very, very best from the bottom of my heart, and I hope whatever you plan to do next, living out the rest of their life and whatever you plan to do, I wish you all the best, and thank you. Thank you for being you.
Hey Mori, nice knowing you. Wish you all the very best. It has been a fantastic 2 years since we have worked together. I really congratulate you and wish you all the best for your future and endeavors.
Hello dear Professor Mowli, like how everyone affectionately calls you. I am very, very happy to be a small part of this wonderful celebration planned by your lovely students. I know how much you love them and how much you treasure them by the anecdotes you share with me every day. And it's such a great feeling that they also cherish your love and affection, and they are gaining a lot from your teaching. They are like our extended family, and I wish all your students all the very best for their wonderful future. And please stay connected. And I wish you all the very best to continue sharing with your knowledge with love and affection to the younger generation. Thank you.
Hello Fodder. So the reason I think that you're such a great professor is because you're still like a school child who's eternally curious and wants to learn something constantly. Not just that, but your chocolate consumption can rival that of a 10-year-old kid. So all the very, very best for your future endeavors, and keep uploading lecture recordings to YouTube so that students can continue to benefit from your knowledge and experience. Love you. Bye-bye.
Dear Mowli sir, there are teachers who teach lessons, and then there are teachers who change lives. You are one of those rare, unforgettable few. From the very beginning of our journey, you have been with us, guiding us, shaping us, and standing by us through every step. When we look back at our journey, your classes are the memories that shine the brightest. Not because of the syllabus, or the marks, or the assignments, but because with you, learning was never a burden. It was something we looked forward to, something we enjoyed, something we felt connected to. You made the classroom a place where we felt confident, seen, and valued. You explained every concept with such patience, such clarity, such warmth that we felt safe. Safe to ask, safe to make mistakes, safe to grow. Your presence has a magic of its own. And when we were bored, you told us a story that made us smile and reconnect. And above all, sir, your smile, that constant reassuring smile that made our worries feel lighter. Even on your busiest days, you came to class with positivity that touched every single one of us. You weren't just a teacher, sir. You were a storyteller, a mentor, a friend. Your perfectionism showed your love for teaching. Every video you recorded, every detailed presentation, every resource you prepared was a reflection of how deeply you cared for us. Always went beyond expectations, that extra mile, and then even further, just to make sure we understood, just to make sure we grew. see these photos, you teaching us, explaining with passion, smiling with us, we realize how lucky we were. Sir, you didn't just give us knowledge, you gave us confidence, you gave us direction, you gave us belief, the kind of belief that will stay with us for the rest of our lives. From all of us, thank you. Thanks for every minute you stayed back to help us. Thanks for every smile that lifted our spirits. Thanks for seeing potential in us, even when we failed to see it ourselves. As we move into the next chapters of our lives, your guidance will walk with us. Your lessons, your values, and your kindness have shaped who we are and who we will become. We want you to know, sir, truly, deeply, that you are one of the teachers we will never forget. You will live in our memories, in our achievements, in our decisions, and in our hearts. Thank you, Mauly sir, for everything you have done, for everything you are. You will always hold a very, very special place in our hearts. And from all of us, BTech 22, we love you, sir.